How to 3x your leads right now. Guys, I got a training that's going to show you how to triple your leads in a matter of no time. You need to stay tuned and follow what I'm doing on this particular video. What's going on, my friend? I want to share with you a software that has been around since 2005, still operating like a charm today. I want to show you the process of what I use this software for is to be able to triple my leads. And I want to show you my version of it so you can get an understanding of how these things work. Now, this is what goes on. I'm going to get my pencil over here. I'm going to click over here. And let's see, I want to get it. Yeah, we can, you know what? I'm going to use a red color. So let's just talk about this. Right here, this what goes on. When you first join Lead Skimmer, you get qualified when you get 3 leads. So we're going to type in 3 leads right here. When you type in 3 leads, you're qualified. So and this is what happened after this. Now you have a qualified lead line right here. So what happened is once you have that qualified lead line, you get a person to join, and that person has to qualify. So I've qualified. I've got my qualified lead line. So now when I get this person, in order for him to get his qualifying lead line, he has to get 3. So what happened? Here's his leads, and here's his lead, and here's his lead. And now that person is qualified. So now these 3 leads come to me. So here's 3 more leads. Okay. So you got 3 leads. Those first leads right here went to the other person above me that needed to be qualified. But these leads right here, they come to me. And I want you to understand that. And that's what I want to tell you. Now, this is what happened. These qualifying persons that are down here, they have to get their 3 qualifications so they can have the lead line like what I have up here. So here we go. This person got to get qualified. They're getting qualified. They're getting qualified. And this person here has to get qualified. That person has to get qualified, and that person has to get qualified. Here's the qualification here. Here's the qualification there. And here's the qualification here. Let me explain this to you. Those leads right here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, those leads come to me. So they are 9 leads. So here it is. I've got 3 from this qualification, and then I have 9 to get this qualification. Before you realize it, I have 12 leads, and it goes on and on and on and on. And then you do have the opportunity to upgrade. You can upgrade and you can make a commission within this system. What I want to show you today is how I'm capable of being able to triple my leads, and you can do the same thing. And what I'm going to do is once you come into this, what you call the traffic, the lead skimmer funnel, excuse me. Once you come into this lead skimmer funnel, I'm going to show you how to get traffic to your system, and it's going to blow you away. You're going to build a list extremely fast, guys. I'm just telling you, you're going to be able to build a list extremely fast. This is an extremely short video. I just wanted to show you my version of being able to get leads to this system. This system been working since 2005. It is 2026. So you're talking about 21 years, and the system is still working, guys. It is still moving. So you want to go in, and I have a link below so you can join this system. It is absolutely free. So guys, go ahead and join this system. Take care. I'll see you on the inside.